In this tutorial, we will learn how to apply or create new keywords or tags for images. So that will help us in efficiently locating those images or videos, and also we can use various features. For example, new smart album, which will dynamically search for all the images which has certain tags or keywords associated with them. So quickly let's do that. So for example, these are some red images. So what we would like to do is we would like to tag them as red. So we will add a keyword which would be red. So let's say, so first of all, select all the images which falls under any same category that you would like to apply keyword to, and then once you have selected, click on this information icon which is I, and then you will just click here which is add a keyword. Over here we will just type red and then enter, and then this keyword will be applied to both images which we had selected. So how to verify if keyword is indeed applied to them? So you can see this tag. Yeah, so if you can see that, then that means that these are tagged, or keyword is applied to them. So we can, when you will click on it, it will show you red over here. So that shows that red keyword was applied to it. Now let's say we want to create a new keyword and associate them with these three images, which would be, let's say, gray, and then press enter, and now these also have tags on them, and yeah, now let's try another. In this case we will try to apply two keywords or tags to them. So we have selected both images. You can even select like this, and then let's apply multiple new tags to these. So let's say 2025, and then we can have UK, then we can have something like fine images. So we are basically telling the quality of the image. So you have to think about some meaningful keywords or tags that you want to associate the images with, and then basis that you will be able to filter out the images. Or if you are sharing these images, you can also export images while containing the metadata, so that person who is receiving these images would also have this metadata, that okay, these are the keywords associated with these images. So having these metadata like title, caption, keywords helps a lot to the people who will be using it, or even the softwares will be able to use that information to, let's say, help you filter those images. So that saves a lot of time. So it is a one-time effort, but you will reap benefits time on time. So yeah, now we have associated some of the tags with images. So this tutorial was about that. In the further tutorial, we will try to use the feature called smart album, which would utilize the keywords to filter out the images. So let's do that.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.